In our daily lives, if you truly believe that what you're doing is accurate, then you come up boldly with a great result. Why am I saying that? I'm very much concerned about the verdict because initially we were told that there was a statement of 72 copies. However, the judge only provided, I think, 42% to the public. So my question is, where are the rest? Where are the rest? We want to find out. You see, in life, yan kind wachi a wasi agro yede. Ade amode ya maame no. Obia ne sasha se bia. Onfa ne ho ni da. Me wo we menka obia semo da. Nanso asem we aba be part of me a. Echese eye me ya. Why do you have to treat somebody's mother this way? All because of your emotions. But in the context of law, no, like I said, you don't use emotions to give somebody a chance. You don't do that. Adia mo waga na mo ye no. Ewurade Nyankopon say, obetua obia kase de nnyumate. Papa o boni o, yen nyina edabi bedu obia bekwa akobu na konta. Hwe obi maame se ne wasi abre. Nanam se wo favorite nti, you know truly say, wo free fie ba no na wo kura wadwene. And until you want to try as much as possible to use every strategic plan to rule this case. But you need the until the bones are rotten, no. You need the if you say, or the free mamene so or the beba me so. We should all condemn this act because it isn't accurate. If you truly believe, say, what you're doing is perfectly right, why do you have to hide some of your findings? We want to find out because we are all interested. You don't use emotions to rule because eradichiri. Or say, mamu ho ekunafo re. If we say, obia obehu okunani re no, me asafo erade. Me de me bufu share ebeba no so. Kenkan Exodus 22:22. Erade se mamu ho okunafo re. So obi ye widow o here respect and dignity as well as compassion. So when timie amwa okunafo wo kwan bia so a esisie na aso obesisi no wo chinchim ne sa je na de ama obi odofo Awurade se obetua wo kase de wunwumate